right, so graphing systems of equations again. This time we're going to be comparing different forms, just so you can see how this works no matter what type of form they give you for a linear equation. You can always graph them and see where they cross, or if they don't cross at all, or any of those different types of versions we have. So our goals are I can graph systems of equations using the three different forms, and I can find the solution to the system of equations by graphing. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our first example here. We'll do red for our top. So we have y equals 3x minus 2. This is slope-intercept form. So my slope is at 3, and my y-intercept is at -2. So I'm going to go start at -2 on my y-intercept, and I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, right 1. That will create the line for you. I'm going to do a couple more dots. I can do the opposite. So instead of up 3, right 1, I can go down 3, left 1. All right, and we're just going to draw my line, connecting all of those. Okay, now let's go ahead and graph our second one. This looks like it is in point slope form. So the slope is 1/2. And my coordinate would be opposite of this, which is 6, and opposite of this, which is -4. So I'm going to graph this by going right 6, down 4. I'm putting our point, and the slope is 1/2. So up 1, right 2, and then that would create your line. I'm going to put a couple more dots by going down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. This one helps me make sure I'm actually graphing it correct. Boom. So it crosses clear down here. So we'll create that line. But we can see that it crosses right here at the coordinate -2, -8. So that would be the solution to that system of equations. Okay, let's take a look at another example here. Looks like we have standard form. So let's go ahead and take a look at standard form. Remember, we have to find slope. It's -a over b. So in this case, this is the a, this is the b. So my slope is -2 over 2. -2 divided by 2 is -1, so we end up getting a -1, which is a +1 for my slope. And just punch that into your calculator if you need to. And then to find my coordinate, remember we're going to use the cover-up method. So if I cover it up, the -2x up here, I would end up just getting let's show my work down here, 2y equals -6, which means y equals -3. So y is -3. And for the x, I cover up the 2y, and I end up with a -2x equals -6, which means x equals 3. So for that top graph, I'm going to start at 3, -3, which is right here. And the slope is 1, so I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. I can also go down 1, left 1. And there is my graph for the top one. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. The bottom is in slope-intercept form. So this is my slope. So once again, m equals 1. And my y-intercept is 4. Now, hopefully, you're kind of noticing something. What was the slope here? It was 1. What is the slope here? It's 1. So we're going to have a different type of solution. Let's go ahead and graph this and see. So the y-intercept is at 4, and up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, down 1, left 1. Okay, and what do you notice? Okay, both those lines have the same slope, and will they ever cross each other? They will never cross each other, which means I do not have a solution, because a solution comes when they cross each other. And so here, I'm just going to write no solution. Now, in your assignment, when you get one like this, you're just going to type capital N, capital S, NS for no solution. Okay, so this one, they never crossed. So we have no solution, or I would type NS into my assignment. All right, let's take a look at this one. Let's see. This is slope-intercept form. So we have a slope of 1/3 and a y-intercept of 2. So graph at 2, go up 1, right 3, up 1, right 3. Or you could go down 1, left 3, down 1, left 3. Draw your line. All right, let's take a look at the second equation. This is point slope form. So my slope is 1/3, which is the same as that one. So it's either going to be no solution or infinite solutions because it has the same slope. And the point, opposite of -6 is 6. Opposite of -4 is 4. So we're going to go to the point 6, 4, which is right here. The slope is up 1, right 3, or down 1, left 3. And it happens to be the exact same line. So if we get a solution where they're the exact same line, that means I have infinite solutions. Now, if you get one like this on your assignment, you're just going to put capital I, capital S for infinite solutions. So there's a couple examples how you can find infinite solutions, no solutions, and remember when they cross and they have different slopes, you would just write the coordinate where they cross. So that's some more graphing systems of equations, trying to find their solutions. Reach out to me if you have any questions.